Stuff. I own too much stuff. It all started when I got married. We got a lot of stuff in the form of wedding gifts. Then we immediately started accumulating stuff for ourselves. We had to have a washing machine, on credit, of course, because we were still in college. And that started the credit train. Then children. That is another level of stuff. And how do you get rid of their first bunny or that book that they slept with? And building a house? Naturally, the stuff we already had was not the stuff needed for our new home. And remodeling projects, twice no less, rendered much of our current stuff outdated. And you can't have your newly remodeled home on the annual Woman's Club Christmas ramble with stuff that really didn't enhance the remodel. And unfortunately, as the executors of the estates of both sets of parents, we accumulated more stuff. Lots more stuff. How can you get rid of your mother's china? Or your mother-in-law's beautiful ceramic creations? Or your mother's and grandmother's handmade quilts? Enough. We have more than enough stuff. So what do? You call a cop. Not a policeman cop. A her cop. Her life hacks. With this cop, you C, clear the clutter of stuff. O, organize the stuff you have left. And P, preserve the memories in some of the special stuff and share your legacy. Pick up my free copy of Her Heritage Homework to get started on your stuff. That's herlifehacks.com.